Jeez. Nice day to be inside. So see driving out, let's see what it's like. Just as we move up here to the last few villas coming out of Reef, there is, might have put headlights on I think, there's a lot of sand not being blocked or covered. I had prepared part of the backyard today and was going to lay down some grass, but I don't think I will do that. Wow. Here is the reason I haven't gone, oh, there's been an accident there. The reason I haven't gone bike riding today is a bit of wind is one thing. A lot of wind can be one thing, but a lot of wind in a sandy environment is completely a different kettle of fish. You can hear it on the car like rain. On it, I hope that everyone else puts theirs on. Won't be quite as bad everywhere, but there's a few kilometres between our Reef and where we join the A10, the A11, I keep getting it mixed up, is a lot of sand. I'm guessing a few kilometres along here at Kite Beach. There'll probably might be a few kite surfers out today. Might even go down there for a bit of a look on the way to the supermarket.
Okay, so now we're driving back into Reef after shopping an hour or two later, and here you can see the sand building up by all the barricades. There's a bit of stuff blowing around, and as we turn around the roundabout you'll see us coming down to Reef. That flag, that big flag sticking out. The sand blowing across the road could be quite pretty. It's a lot easier driving in my car than Lorraine's. Mine's a small one, where Lorraine's the big boxy thing that gets blown around everywhere.
Okay, pool was pretty empty or clean a few hours ago. One of our lamps is blown down. It is just phenomenal. I think the neighbours have got one of their shade sails down.